Hey, what's up guys? I hope you enjoyed our last video of the BMP-CC 4K unboxing. Since then we've been to many places to shoot with this camera, and there will be more footage uploading to our channel very soon. So please feel free to subscribe our channel and share our videos. So today we have just got the Tilta G2X with us. In this video I'm going to unbox it and then I'll try to mount the BMP-CC 4K on this gimbal and see if it works well. So let's get started. So on the top, we have the instruction card. This is the handle base. This is the handle of the gimbal. That's the riser. And this is the main body of the gimbal. That's the base plate. And here we also have the batteries. We have 4 batteries. 4. And this is the charger and the cable. And here we have the hot shoe. And that's the lens support. Screwdriver. And that's it. So overall, it's not quite easy to set up this gimbal for the first time, but as long as you get used to it, I'm sure you can do it much faster in the future. Generally, the Tilta G2X works really well with the BMP-CC 4K camera, and it does look really cool and professional when you put them together. However, compare it with the Panasonic GH5 on the G-Ring crane gimbal, it is a lot heavier. If I'm going to shoot on the Blackmagic with the G2X, I wouldn't want to be walking all day long in the city. It is going to be super challenging for me to do that. But if you're shooting not for too long, like you don't have to be walking on the street for the whole day, it is still a good option to choose this setup. After all, you can get the Apple ProRes HQ footage at 4K 60 frames per second, which is amazing in such a compact setup. Now, before we wrap up today, I would like to show you guys the footage that I shot on this Blackmagic 4K with the Tilta G2X. Please feel free to comment or ask me any questions that you might have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Peace.